what I get here, out there I don't think if I can have it. Like for example, the care that I receive here, the love, everything, I don't think I can get it out there because a lot of people used to judge me because I got pregnant while I'm in school, because I was like 18 years when I got pregnant and I had not finished my school. I was in Form 3, so I dropped. But the moment I came here, I was received with the love. I see the way they love me, the way they care for me and my baby. I receive everything here.
When you talk to them, you get to understand the child and the mother. Sometimes you can get a girl who does not want the child. She feels like abandoned. But when you come close to that child, even the mother starts to love the kid.
Kule kwa watoto